Good morning, Mia. Today is finally Friday. And today we are also working on IEP goals. Now, let's go ahead and read our goal number 3. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Mia will solve simple additional problems by adding within 1 to 5 with 70% of the time. Now, let's go ahead and look at our assignment, Mia. Now, we are working on our addition today. Now, let's go ahead and start counting. 1, 2, so we have 2. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. You have the number 3. Now, let's count all together. Remember, we're working on addition, so you add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put a number 5, and we're doing the same. We're going to count the turtles, the cars, and the grapes, Mia. Make sure you add them all and you write the correct answer at the bottom. Have a great day, Mia.